Yes guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today I'll be using orange juice to make a refreshing drink. Guys, I am a lover of orange drink, and this amazing idea came to me, so I've decided to share it with you. So I have some diced pineapple that I'm gonna put in my blender, along with some diced mango. Oh yes, there's nothing nice like mango and pineapple in a drink. Guys, trust me, this fruit juice is so delicious and refreshing. If you have a chance to try it, guys, please go ahead and do so. Just gonna go ahead and add half of a banana inside. And right here guys, I have a OTET apple, otherwise known as a Malay apple, and I have so much video using this kind of apple guys. You can go ahead and check out those other videos. So this apple guys, I will be only using half of it, okay? And I'm just gonna cut it in smaller pieces and then put it inside my blender. And here's the time for the orange juice guys. This recipe doesn't call for any other sweetener because you know already the orange juice is already sweet. So I'm just gonna pour the orange juice inside and give this a nice little blend. I know there's a lot of orange juice lover out there, but sometimes you know the flavor kind of get to us a little bit. And this is a nice way to use your orange juice that you have sitting in your refrigerator. You know, you can just go ahead and chop up some fruits and throw in your blender and add your orange juice and give it a blend. Yeah, put a twist to your orange juice. You will love it guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a nice little blend. And yes guys, no need to strain this drink. You can just go ahead and enjoy the fiber, and all is smooth guys. Trust me, it's just amazing.